So I have some herbs here. This is parsley. So we're just gonna collect a little bit for our lunch. Here are the ingredients for our Vietnamese roll. It would be a simple lunch only. I've got the Vietnamese rice paper, grilled chicken left over from last night, 1 egg, some spring onions, cucumber, and our fresh parsley, and a little bit of mint. And lastly, our chili sauce. So firstly, we have a plate with water, and then with our rice paper, we have to put one piece in it and let it soak for a few seconds, and then you can turn it to the other side as well, and you just have to wait until it get and you have to wait until the paper becomes softer. Right, this is ready now. If you could see, it becomes a lot softer. And then we have this extra plate where we can transfer this item here. So you just have to spread it out. So we can start putting our ingredients now. Let's put the egg first. That, and some chicken.
Mama, this was fast.
And then we can start putting our vegetables, which is spring onions, our cucumber, and parsley, our mint, and we can start wrapping it up like spring rolls. There you go, and we can just repeat the process again. This is how it looks like. Right, so the next thing to do is to put our sauce. Just give a bit of shake and pour it. There you go. I like to mix it a little bit more of vinegar. And this is our lunch now. It's ready to eat. There you go. I'm ready to have my lunch. Thank you for watching.